Life is hard, often filled with challenges that seem daunting. Yet, like the open road beneath our wheels, it's a journey of twists and turns that shapes us. Each bump teaches resilience, and every setback sparks determination. As motorcycle riders, we know that true freedom lies in embracing the ride, not just reaching the destination. So when the road gets tough, remember that each struggle deepens our adventures. Keep your eyes on the horizon, trust your instincts, and ride on. The ultimate thrill is in the journey itself.